an absolute gem on a huge lot. This fabulous 2-bedroom, 2-bath pool home is ideal for year-round residents and investors alike. Just a stone's throw from Siesta Key in downtown Sarasota, this home is tucked away on a quiet street and offers an open floor plan, loads of natural light, 2-car garage, large living area, breakfast nook and perfectly sized kitchen. Stepping in through the front door, you have a perfect sight line through the spacious lanai, out over the sparkling pool and right into the spacious, fenced yard. Peace, quiet and space to relax and enjoy all that Florida has to offer. The master bedroom has an ensuite bath and the second bedroom has sunny windows and its own bath also, both with full tub and shower. Easy-going terrazzo floors give a clean, retro look and add to the overall spacious feel as they flow from room to room. The Sarasota and Siesta Key area is home to amazing activities like waterside dining, world-class shopping, moonlight cruises on the bay, the Ringling Museum, a walkable main street, a short ride to St. Pete's/Tampa and miles of relaxing, sunny, sandy beaches.